All right, guys, we got that new gas tank on this R6. This thing's starting to come together. Now, the next piece to this puzzle is our plastics. That's gonna be in this box right up here on our shelf. So I'm gonna grab that down. Let's open the box up and check out our brand new plastics for this 2009 Yamaha R6. All right, guys, as you probably guessed, because we have that satin silver gas tank, we ended up going with a satin silver metallic fairing kit for our Yamaha R6. We've got mostly all that satin silver, really nice matte finish right there. And on the lower fairings, we've got this matte satin black with some gold Yamaha decals on here for both the lower fairings. And then our side fairings had that same matte black and satin silver with the R6 decals on there, looking really sharp. Now these things are gonna look really good on the bike. The one thing I was really concerned with was whether or not this color was gonna match our OEM gas tank really good. And right there, side by side, that is pretty damn spot on right there. Alkmarts.com did a really good job matching up that OEM color with this aftermarket set of fairings. Could not have gotten it much closer than that. So once again, Alkmarts.com absolutely blew it out of the park with this set of fairings for our Yamaha R6. Now, if you guys are interested in getting a set of fairings for your motorcycle, be sure to check out Alkmarts.com. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can use RK Motorsports at checkout for a promo code, and that'll save you a little bit of cash off the top for the set of fairings that you buy for your bike. Great quality, always satisfied with the fairing kits that I get, and I've used them for many years, and I'm gonna keep continuing to use them because they have such great products. So head on over to Alkmarts.com, promo code RK Motorsports at checkout. Now let's get these fairings on this bike. All right, guys, here we go. We got the R6 out. We got a little bit of daylight left, so we are going to take this girl on her first test ride. Let's hop on it, see how she runs and rides now that we have her all back together. It's not running too bad. The exhaust is pretty loud. It sounds good, though. Brakes feel good, front and rear. This thing runs like a frickin' top for having 34,000 miles on it. Yeah, that exhaust sounds really nice. It's loud, but it sounds good. Let me know what you guys think about this bike in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this satin silver that we did on the bike versus the original blue color.